Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve the Telegram SMS fee problem. So if Telegram is asking you to pay for an SMS verification code when you try to log in or create an account, do not worry. I'll explain why this happens and provide the best solutions for you. So first, understand that this isn't necessarily a bug. Telegram has introduced an SMS fee prompt for some users as part of its anti-spam and verification system. It does not affect everyone and usually depends on factors like your phone number, region, mobile carrier, device, or unusual activity on your account. So check the verification code on another logged in device. If you're previously logged into Telegram on another phone, tablet, or computer, Telegram often sends the verification code there instead of via SMS. So open Telegram on any device that you're already signed in and look for a message from Telegram containing the login code. Many users mistakenly believe the SMS isn't arriving when the code was actually delivered within the Telegram app itself, and avoid tapping resend code repeatedly. Requesting multiple verification code in a short period can trigger the Telegram's security system and make verification harder. So if you've already made several requests, wait for at least several hours or up to 24 hours if needed before trying in again. And if you're using any VPN or proxy, disconnect it before requesting another verification code. Frequently changing your IP address can appear suspicious to Telegram's security system. And after turning the VPN, restart Telegram and try again. Sometimes the issue is related to your internet connection as well. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch between your mobile data, or you can turn your airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it back off. Also, don't forget to update your Telegram application. If you're using Android, go ahead and open your Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, open the App Store, search for Telegram application. And once you do it, if you see an update button which is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Using the latest version helps avoid bugs and ensures that you're using the most current verification system. And also make sure that you're using the official Telegram application. Only use the official Telegram application downloaded from Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Telegram's official website, as modified or unofficial versions can cause login and verification problems. And double check that you have selected your correct country code, your phone number is entered correctly, your SIM card is active, and you can receive messages. Even one incorrect digit will prevent the verification code from arriving. And in some cases, Telegram offers the option to receive the verification code through a phone call after the SMS timer expires. So if the option appears, choose it and answer the incoming call to get your verification code. And some mobile carriers delay or block the international verification SMS messages. If you're not receiving any code, contact your mobile carrier or ask if international SMS messages are being blocked. You can also try inserting your SIM card into another phone to rule out a device issue. So if you're using a VoIP or a temporary virtual phone number, Telegram may reject it or require additional verification. Whenever possible, use your personal mobile number from a standard mobile carrier. And if Telegram security system has temporarily flagged your verification attempts, waiting several hours or until the next day may allow you to successfully request another code. And if none of the methods work, you can go ahead and contact the Telegram official help desk. You need to go ahead and explain your situation and include your phone number with country code or your device model and screenshot of the SMS fee message, and you can reach Telegram support there. And many users ask if Telegram charge all users for SMS verification. The answer is no. The prompt for the SMS fee appears only in the specific regions or under certain risk conditions. Many users still receive verification codes for free. And is Telegram Premium the same as the SMS fee? No. The Telegram Premium is a subscription that offers additional features in your Telegram account. The SMS fee, when applicable, is a separate charge related to verification. And can you avoid the SMS fee by using the third-party apps or websites? That's incorrect. You need to exercise caution. Many websites claim to bypass Telegram verification, but it can be unsafe or ineffective. It's best to use Telegram's official application and support channels. So that's it. These are the few most effective ways to fix the Telegram SMS fee problem. So if this video helped you, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, app fixes, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.